everybody, and before I start, thanks for taking the time to watch and to like and to subscribe. People that have done it's really appreciated. Well, today I'm just on the way back from the bike being serviced, so bigger service this time, very reasonable I thought. So I've had a larger service, and I've had a new gold chain fitted, and I've had the suspension slightly lowered or softened, and it was £118, and I think that's a pretty fair price. The last short one I had was, I think, was 70, so I'm quite happy with that. And I can feel the difference with the new chain as well. What a heavy duty gold O-ring chain put on, and I can tell the difference definitely. So now I'm keeping fingers crossed I can get home. I'm in Cannock at the moment. I'm hoping I can get home before it rains, if it's going to rain. I've got the rain gear. I don't fancy pulling over and getting changed. There's no bridges to hide under. So I'm just really hoping the rain stays off before I get home. I hate riding in the rain. I hate it. It's great when you pick the bike up from the service because you can tell the difference when you're riding. Maybe it's all in the head. It does seem a lot nicer. The chain's 100% made a difference. The other one was starting to feel snatchy. It was adjusted. Still felt snatchy, but not known for being the best. The original chains. Horrible road this is. So, all happy. Sounding nice. Miserable weather, isn't it? Unless it isn't where you are, you're lucky. Service plans before I came out. I've got a feeling not even charged me for fitting the chain. Hey, got no issues at all with Speedway at Cannock. They've been really good from day one, from when I first went into have them sort the bike, having the bike delivered, etc. They've been really good. really bad junction. There's been a lot of accidents there. They've slowed the road down now, 30 miles an hour through here. There's been some serious accidents there in the past. I don't know why they didn't put some lights on it. No lights are a pain, but I think they're needed there. Those that might not know, every road as you enter Stafford you end up going downhill. Stafford's built in the bottom of a valley. I happen to live on one side of it. Of course, with it being a valley, there's the river going through it, the River Sow. And this one I'm going over here is the River Penk. And when I was younger we used to go swimming in that. Since the rivers aren't looked after now like they used to be, it doesn't look too clever. But one time when the rivers were dredged and the weeds were cut back, it was a lot better. And also we didn't get as much flooding either. And the town's had a lot more flooding since they stopped looking after the river. One good thing is though, they're currently working on a link to link the canal into the River Sow so boats can go to the town. And I think that would be really cool, nice thing to see. And it's all being done by volunteers. I think when they finish that, it's really going to open the town up. Dark, isn't it? Look at the clouds. I might just be lucky enough to get home in time. The bike's running sweet, so I'm happy. Bike runs sweet, chain feels great, I'm happy. With that everybody, I will bid you farewell for today. Really appreciate you watching and listening to my rambling and liking and subscribing, please. And I'll catch you on a hopefully better summer day. Thanks for watching, see you again. Ta-ra.